Good morning, everybody. We are inside a place, the main building of what's called the Baan Dam, which literally translates to house black or black house. So this person here, this artist, you can see him on my flyer. His name is Thawan Duchanee. And he built this, well, quite a few years ago, as sort of a temple slash architectural wonder, if you want to call it. Now it's a museum because unfortunately he's passed away, but it's like a mix between Viking, I suppose, and Thai styles, or maybe Northern European and Thai. It's really, really unique. Well, there's a bust of him. I love these porcelain horses. Excuse me. This is just one building of several, but this is the main building. And just look how high the pitch of the roof is. It goes way, way up there. Well built, a lot of cross hatching to keep the building from moving laterally, because there are earthquakes here in Chiang Rai. So so the building has stood the test of time with no problem. They even withstood a 6.5 Richter scale earthquake. But look at these columns, just like nice solid pieces of wood, trees they found. Nice and straight. Wow, what a beautiful Ganesh. I think he's wood. Yes, he's wood. So he was carved. All teak. This is all teak wood. Now this black temple or black house is quite a bit different than the white temple. The white temple is a different style, obviously different artist. But I really like this. A lot of people like this better than the white temple. I mean, I like both because they're very different in style. But he uses a lot of horns kind of in this design. So what a unique chair. Imagine sitting in a chair like that. Now that would be a conversational piece to put into your living room. Poor crocodile, or it looks like actually alligator, with the round nose. Look at the size of this table. Look how thick that is. Massive piece of wood. I would say a good at least 20 feet long, this table. One piece of wood. And this here is probably, at least 6 feet wide. Maybe not quite that far, well, maybe 6 feet. Anyway, huge table. Chiang Rai used to be full of teak trees years ago. And unfortunately, back in the 80s, I think it was, a lot of them were cut down and sold on the world market to bring in some money to Thailand. And they also had drug problems, but they got rid of that thanks to the previous king. He really made Chiang Rai a safe and wonderful place. So anyway, this is just the one building. There's several buildings here, but this is the biggest one for sure. And one of the most interesting ones for sure. I love this painting. Wow, look at that. I don't think this was here before, and it could have been painted by somebody else, not the artist himself. Unfortunately, he's passed, so never got to meet him, but yeah, now it's a museum. So if you come to Chiang Rai, this should be definitely on your list for visiting.